Want to make a Musical.ly post with a cool-looking slow motion video? You've come to the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a SlowMo Musical.ly. Now let's get started. To begin, open the camera app on your smartphone. I'm doing this with the built-in camera app on my iPhone, but if you have an Android device, you can check your device's default camera app to see if it allows for SlowMo video capture, or download another camera app that does. We'll have a download link for a slow motion camera app for Android in the description box. Now, switch to slow motion video capture mode. On iPhone, you can only use this mode with the rear camera on the opposite side of your device's screen, so you can record a video of something around you, or have a friend hold your phone and record a video of you. If you want to film a video of yourself hands-free, you can prop up your phone somewhere or use a tripod to hold your device for you. Tap the record button to begin recording your video. When you're finished, tap the same button to stop recording. Now tap the video in the bottom left corner. Then select Edit. Using the top bar, drag the controls to select the portion of the video you want to play in slow motion. Simply drag either side to adjust the placement. Then, using the bottom bar, trim your video to the length you want it to be. Then tap Done. Tap Save as New Clip. Now, go to your home screen and open Musical.ly. Tap the plus sign at the bottom to create a new post. Then, tap the Videos icon on the right side to access your device's library of videos. Select the video you just created. Slide the pink section to trim your video. Then, tap the check mark in the top right corner. Tap Next. Tap the music icon on the right to add music from the Musical.ly library to your video. Tap a song to add it to your post. Make any other adjustments as you see fit, like adding filters and stickers. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To share it, tap Post at the bottom. Then just wait for your video to be posted. That's all it takes to make and post a SlowMo Musical.ly video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.